So, hi, this is traffic here in Manila and heavy rain at the same time. So, just wanted to show you what it looks like here. We're in Katipunan right now, in front of the Vista, approaching Miriam and Ateneo. It's raining really hard, and it's around 5. So, it means there's a lot of people going home. And traffic and floods. And sing it Filipino style. So, and then that's how it is. And then at the back, you see the cars in the back. Ay, wala. Ayun. And then sa back, there. And then on the side, there's what's that? Petron. Yeah, Petron by the Vista. And then this is the Shell gas station across. And that's the traffic. Cars making sing it, including us. Sing it. Sarap.